The BC Generations Project Temporary Assessment Centre has made its stop in Nanaimo to enlist participants for a cohort medical health study that will compile data on thousands of people and track their health for up to 5 decades.
It's the largest long-term health study in British Columbia looking into how to prevent cancer, but as well as related chronic diseases.
Have you ever had any sores or psoriasis on your ankle?
All BC men and women between the ages of 35 to 69 can sign up to be in the study. Making a decision to participate is a long-term commitment to provide relevant health data and will include physical assessments.
What we ask from them is to fill out health and lifestyle questionnaires so that asks about your smoking habits, your alcohol consumption, your sun exposure, your medical history, your family medical history. Any identifying information such as your name, address, personal health information will be stripped and stored separately. In addition to the questionnaire, we are collecting physical measurement at the assessment center, including blood pressure, bone density, body fat percentage, and things like that. Some participants, we ask for samples, blood and urine samples, either at this point or in the future, we'll ask them to donate blood and urine sample. This machine is called Achilles and it measures your bone density using ultrasound.
The biological samples are not experimented on, rather they are frozen for future reference. The adage of the BC Generations Project is, your time today builds a healthier tomorrow. By participating, you are contributing to cancer prevention for future generations.
I'm actually quite excited to be a part of it because I'd like to make a difference somehow in this world while I'm here, and I've had family members die of cancer, friends. I think we're all touched by somebody that's had cancer, and if I can make a small difference, well, that'd be great.
We follow up with participants passively and actively. Passively meaning that we do ask for the PC Care Card number. So periodically we'll be able to link it to PC Cancer Registry, for example, to see any of our participants may have developed cancer, and if so, what type and when it was diagnosed.
These sorts of longitudinal studies are very good. Basically allows them to see lifestyle, environment, and genetic factors, and sort of try to separate them out a little bit. No, I think that's important. It'd be lovely to be able to go to the doctor and him to say, you know what, you've got some genetic problems. We can now give you more tomatoes, more peaches, and you won't have the problem. And that's what they're aiming for when it comes to the genetics.
The BC Generations Project database will also form part of a much larger health study involving 300,000 Canadians from 5 regions: BC, Alberta, Ontario, Quebec, and the Atlantic provinces. Researchers can access the information and biological samples to aid with correlations not only for cancer prevention, but other chronic illnesses such as diabetes or heart disease. In Nanaimo, I'm Annette Lucas.